Hey everyone, welcome back to another video of MasterCoTutorials, and today we are here to launch our new tool named MCO Build Lab. This helps to build your dream Discord server, the perfect structure for your community, and it's named MCO Build Lab. It's by Master Coding Organization, and I will show you how it works. You can just go to mcobuildlab.base44.app and just wipe coded this app in base 44, and I will just give the link in the description so you can just try that. And this is not the fully Discord server that let build you directly in the Discord and overwrite and all. It's just gives you the perfect structure, and also you can just download the JSON file so you can just import through Xenon bot or anything. I'm just clicking. Yeah, let's get started in the video. Just go click here, build my server, and as you can see there are lots of presets like funny chaos, gaming, global hangout, anime, aesthetic, cyberpunk, cozy, meme server, minimal streamer. You can just click anything here or just type what type of server do you want. I'm just clicking here minimal, and it asks if you're building this for a gaming community, or else you can just type what all games you are playing. If it's not for a gaming community or there is no such game activities in your server, just type no game activities. Yeah, then click next, and it asks for is this for worldwide friends or local friends. It is asked for it's for a community or just for your friends and all. I'm just typing mixed, so you can type anything for worldwide or local. I'm just typing mixed, just click next. And many channels are simple clean setup. Do you need lots of channels for a big community, or just minimal one, or just balanced one? I'm just typing minimal one. Minimal, just click next. And what do you want? Chaotic, funny, cozy, dark, cyberpunk, cute, neon. Let's just type funny and click next. What activities should the server have, like music, events, giveaways, confessions, economy, leveling, and all? I'm just typing all, or you can just type anything you need here. I'm just typing all. Then, how many voice channels do you need? Here you can type how many voice channels for Hangout and all you need. I'm just typing minimal. So we need a balanced one. So that's why. And do you want funny leveling roles? Yeah, we need some not much and not too low. Yeah, okay. Any special channels or features? Do you need any special channels or features like confessions, star boards, tickets, art gallery? Yeah, some of them. And should it look aesthetic or meme funny? Yeah, it asks for how the server looks like aesthetic, meme, heavy, mix of both. I'm just typing mix of both, and just click next. And what boards features do you want? Like for moderation, music boards, music, tank memory, and all. I'm just typing all of those. And any fandoms, creators, or communities to include? Yeah, we need some. I'm just typing streamers. Yeah, then click generate server. The A crafts the perfect structure for your server, and we are also giving the custom boards built for your server. If you need any custom boards, you can just contact us. I will give my Discord link in the description, so you can just DM me. As you can see, this is the name of the server and a description also, and this is the welcome message and server rules and the recommended boards, also emoji styling, also the server system, how it can work. And these are the channels and categories and all. As you click here roles, you can just see the roles: owner, admin, moderator, meme guardian. Also leveling roles like some regional roles, funny roles and all. If you need, you can just copy here and paste, not copy paste, it's just give here, or you can just manually copy this and paste manually, or you can just download the JSON file and import through xenonbot and all. I think xenonbot is a premium one to import, or you can choose just copy paste here, as you know. And that's it. If you have any suggestion of improving this site, you can just tell me in comments and we will know what all changes we need to make here. And that's it. I hope the video finds you well, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And we are near to 500 subscribers. I think it's 310 subscribers now, and hopefully the watchers are more, viewers are more, and the subscribers are very low. And if you just like the video, just subscribe also. We will bring more coding vibes, more coding, more AI tools for free for you. And if you need any AI helps, you can just ask our MCO bot V3. I just will we just launched that soon, the video in the YouTube, and you can test that bot or and all. And for the live updates, we created some blogs, city company blogspot. You can just download that, or yeah, you can just download that from apk viewer. We just released the apk of that blog, or you can just go to citycompany.blogspot.com. And that's it for today. Bye bye, see you in next video. So bye bye.